What's going on, people? It's your boy Eddie, the arbiter of deliciousness, and I'm not about to let small apartment living keep me from getting this fish fry off. So I got the semi-industrial home deep fryers with the grease popping. I got my hush puppy batter ready and willing to cooperate with those Kaneka sausages to make Kaneka corn dogs with. I let these wings brine overnight. I let this catfish marinate in buttermilk overnight, and I let this whiting marinate in buttermilk overnight. My hands stay wrapped up, so my gloves ready. I got all my breadings bagged up separately, one for catfish, one for chicken, and one for whiting. I got the collard greens that I cooked up already in the slow cooker, warming up, staying warm. Yes, it got that smoked turkey neck right inside of it. And crock pot number 2 is hosting the most creamy, delicious grits you have ever had in your life. Then we got to move over to the coleslaw. Got to have that crunch, baby. Sweetened ever so gently. I'd like to draw your attention to this audacious array of hot sauces. What is a fish fry without the hot sauces? So I keep the hot on deck. Do you see your favorite hot sauce up in there?